Hey, Mark Fitzpatrick here. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a great day and a great start to the month of August. I was going to release this newsletter and the video late July, but a number of things happened, including multiple properties, which I've gotten involved for my clients in renovating and getting ready. So 3 different ones, and that just got to be a lot. It goes with my philosophy, right? No worries, I'll take care of everything. In this case, I was taking care of a lot of things from multiple properties. So thankful for that. At the same time, it pushed things back. One thing that did not change over the last couple of weeks, now that I'm releasing this, is the message below about the sweet spot price. You can read about that. The short of it is that the price must be right. It has been absolutely critical, and there's a true story that happened, and I think it'll be very, very interesting for you. So please share this with anybody you know that might be considering selling a property, and just keep it in mind for any time down the road. It's super critical. And quick note about mortgage rates, refinancing. A window of opportunity has gotten there again to get below 3%. So you might want to check that out and let me know if you need help there. And a handful of properties new are coming up. I'll put those down. Those are coming soon. So if you know anybody that's looking around the area, check those out. And as always, I'm here to help. So message me, call me, text me, whatever is easiest for you. And I look forward to helping anybody that you would be so kind to refer over. So please do share this out with your social media group and emails. I greatly appreciate it. Take care. See you soon.